Hello guys, it's Abhishek and you're watching TechSet. You can also watch my other videos from my playlist to gain more knowledge, because in my channel you will get all you need in tech. In last two videos we were discussing how to open terminal and how to log in with 6 users at the same time by using terminals. And we have also discussed what is a syntax, how to open them, and what is the meaning of syntax. If you didn't watch that video, then you can press that I button from the right top corner to watch that video. In this video, we are going to learn how many types of terminals we have, what is sudo terminal, and how to open it. So without any further ado, let's start. We have two types of terminals in Linux. First terminal is normal terminal and second is sudo terminal. Pay attention guys. To open terminal we use Ctrl Alt F2 to Ctrl Alt F6, which we have already used to log in multiple users at the same time in our previous videos. In terminal, there will not be any user logged in by default. To open sudo terminal, we have three ways. Let's discuss them one by one. First way is right click on the desktop and click on open in terminal. Once you do that, it will open sudo terminal. And very important part is in sudo terminal, by default that user will be logged in by which you are currently logged in. Right now it is showing us root user because we are logged in with root user. If we would be logged in by test user, then it would have shown us test user here. Is it clear? Second way is to open sudo terminal is click on applications from the left top corner and open terminal. Third way is to open terminal, open run in Linux. And don't try to open run in Linux by pressing Windows R. It is Linux guys. So to open run, press Alt F2 from your keyboard. You have the run prompt. Now type gnome-terminal and press enter. So these are the three ways to open sudo terminal in Linux. Now let's focus on the difference between terminal and sudo terminal. So the first difference is in terminal, no user will be logged in by default, but in sudo terminal, that user will be logged in through which you are logged in graphically. Difference 2, you cannot increase or decrease font size in terminals, but in sudo terminal, you can increase or decrease font size by using Ctrl+Shift+ key and Ctrl+Shift- key. Third difference is we can log in 6 users at the time in terminals, but in sudo terminal, we can log in only one user at the same time. So that was a complete basic configuration of Linux. I hope you will like it. Question time guys, now tell me how to open run in Linux, and your options are option A by pressing Windows R, option B by pressing Alt F4, option C by pressing Alt F2. You can type your answers in next 10 seconds below the comment section. So that's all from my side. If you like my videos, then hit like, make comments, share my videos on WhatsApp and Facebook so that we can spread the knowledge. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates. Thank you.